Okay, students. So I'll be starting the session now. So if you're seeing about, the objective of this session is to provide an idea about the past paper. So we'll be discussing the past paper. Okay. So now 2 minutes have passed. Okay, students. Okay. So let's start the session. Okay. So start the session with your relevant prayers. Okay. Now let's start. Okay, so if you're seeing, we'll be having 40 MCQs, and first in will be something related to what? Something related to grade 10, right? So we'll be discussing accounting questions and business studies question. Okay, understood? So students, if you have any of your friends, please tell them to join. It will be very one of the session. Okay. Okay, so without further ado, let's start the session. Okay, so first of all, let's read the question. Question number 1. Kamala and Vimala went to Mihiri Rasahala conducted by the Multipurpose Cooperative Society and bought a cup of fruit for Kamala and a glass of milk for Vimala to fulfill their thirst while they were working in the farm. So normally they went to Mihiri Rasahala is something a farm. So what it's something that you can see event conducted by whom? By Multipurpose Cooperative Society. Okay. So what is the human need satisfied by Mihiri Rahasal? Okay. So what is the human satisfied? Yes, it's food, correct. But it's food. So you can see that while both Kamala and Vimala, they went to the Mihiri Rasahala and they went and bought a glass of milk and what? Glass of milk and cup of food. So you need something related to food. So what will be the answer? The answer will be food, correct. Please students join. Otherwise, then I'll lock the room. Okay. What is the type of business organization that Mihiri Rasahala belongs? Look, what is the organization? So in your syllabus, you'll be studying about around 5 types of organizations. First of sole proprietorship, then you have partnership, then you have associations, cooperative societies, incorporated companies, government departments, and societies, right? Okay, what is the Mihiri Rasahala will be it is conducted by multi-purpose cooperative society. Now, what is a cooperative society means? Normally, a group of people, they get together and what they do, they start a business and everyone will be having the same objective. Okay, it's not like partnership. Okay, everyone will be having the same right, the same vote, something like that. So, you can Mihiri Rasahala will be a cooperative society. What? A cooperative society. Understood? Okay. So can you tell me, according to the above case, Kamalas and Vimala, let us see, needs are same, needs are different, wants are same, and wants are limited. What can you tell about it? Yes. Okay. Can you tell? Shuhada, can you tell me what's the answer? Yes, what is that? What need and same means? Both are having the same requirement. The main thing. Needs are different. Are their needs different? No, it's false, no? Because you can see they are both having the same need, which is food. So it's wrong. Wants are same. Can you tell both are same is ordering the same thing, no, right? They're ordering different things. So can you tell that wants are the same? We can't tell that wants are same. Wrong. Wants are limited. No, wrong. It's wrong. From there itself, it's wrong. No. So you can see, first of all, when you have these MCQs, yes, correct. Shuhada, yes, the first one is the correct answer. Okay, but when you are seeing first in order, so there's a trick. So when you're doing MCQs, what you have to do? Omit the wrong answers. Okay, what you have to do? Wrong. Take away the wrong answer. So you have to cut out first. So the answer will be the first. So needs are the same. Can you tell me what is the production factor? What is production factor? The resources that is used in the business. That is called as a production factor. The resources used. So you have land. Land is all the natural thing. Okay. Resources. Used in production factor. So used in production. That is called as what? It's called as production factor. So can you tell me? So you know that Mihiri Rasahala is something related to cooperative society, and what they do? They manufacture this fruit or something. So what do they have? Is it what is the production factor? They use land or labor, capital or entrepreneurship. What will be the answer? Yes, Shuhata, correct. Let's see. It's land. So they use natural resources, more than natural resources to process it. What they do, they use capital. What they use capital. Understood? What they use capital. Okay. Let's see, is it the exact same question given in the books? Because you know, some papers, past papers in online will be differ from your past paper books. Okay. So normally why it's kept, they are not manufacturing. What they do, like they, Mihiri Ratsuhari is something like they are event, no? So do they manufacture? No, right? Yes, fruit is a natural resource, so it comes under the land. Yes, it's correct. But what is the fruit? That is something that is used to sell, no? Mihiri Rasahali is not, they don't go and manufacture it. Do they go and manufacture it? No, no, right? So that means the raw material they are using as the capital. So they are using that to sell. So we using the capital only, they will be selling it. They will be conducting both Shuhada. Hear me, right? One question. So I have posted a video regarding external about the environmental. See. Now can you hear me, Shuhada? Wait, I'll just put up. Can you hear me now clearly? Yes. Okay. Thank you. So, students, please, there is a chat for responding. Please, okay, be interactive. Then only I know that you are also studying. Okay, so make this session fruitful. Okay, students, make this session fruitful. Okay, I'll give my best so that you can understand. Okay, so let us go to the fifth question. So this is something related to business environment. So I have uploaded I did a seminar on this lesson. So if you have more, if you want more clarification, go through it. Go through it. Understood? So let us see Nipuna and Upuli, the owners of luxury products business, which exports a coconut fiber products, received the Best Entrepreneur Award in 2019, and the government offered a foreign tour to them and an employee. So what both the owners and the employees, so what happened? So these luxury products, they were awarded the Best Entrepreneur Award, and also they were able to go to, they were able to go to foreign with the employees. Okay, so can you tell me what is the external environment? So if you know external environment means what, something, the forces or parties acting outside the business. So can you tell me who, what will be the, first let us take away the wrong answers. Nipuna and Upoli will be the internal because they are the owners. They have the direct relationship, or like every day they will be inside the business, right? Yes, it's the fourth one. Yes, correct. So always who will be in the internal environment? Yes, correct. Then let us why employee, because employee also comes under internal environment. So they have asked external environment. The answer will be what? The answer will be the government. Okay, and also they are government. So who can you tell me what are the internal environment, internal stakeholders or internal environment? Please, students, tell me quickly. Yes, it will be owners, it will be managers and employees. This will be only the internal stakeholders or environment in your syllabus. Understood? Employees, and managers. Okay, students? Next. Receiving the Best Entrepreneur Award of year 2019 by Luxury Products. Okay, so what it will be now, let us see. Okay, so it's the first one. Yes, first let us go through the SWOT analysis. It's one of the important. If you're conducting a business, you have to go through it. Okay, so you have strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. So strength and weakness will be related to internal environment, and opportunities and threat will be related to what? External environment. Related to what? External environment. Understood, students? And also strength will be internal positive impact, and the negative impact will be the weakness, and external environment's positive impact will be the opportunities. External environment strength will be the negative. Understood? So let us see here. Okay, so strength will be something related to internal positive. Opportunity will be external. So you know the entrepreneur is something related to internal or the owners. So the answer will be the first one. Correction. So why weakness is wrong? Because weakness is a negative. For example, if they don't receive, that will be the negative. And the threat something is related to what? It's related to external environment. External negative. Okay. Let's go for the seventh one. Select the correct statement related to luxury product business. This is a legal entity to luxury. Example, we have two owners, so Nipuna and Upuli. So you can see from, can you tell me what is the type of business? Quickly, can you tell me? Shuhada and Andrea, quickly, can you just drop me? What is the type of business? Quickly. Tell me, so it's very easy here. It's what? Partnership. What? Partnership. Correct, Shuhada. It's partnership. So you can check what normally you can see their same characteristic related to partnership and sole traders. So can you tell an example? Let us emit the wrong one. There is the legal entity to luxury product. True or false? Can you tell me? So luxury products will be having a legal entity. Yes, it's false. So put a wrong. Registration of the business name of luxury product is not compulsory. Is it compulsory? Yes, it's not. Let us see. The liability to Nupur and Upali business is unlimited. The cost of coconut fiber is it in the normally coconut fiber will be the direct. So you will be studying this one in what? The cost in grade 11. The direct and indirect cost. Okay. So let us go through. Okay. Sole traders and partnership and other companies. Okay. So normally if you are taking sole traders. Okay. So sole traders and partnership both are having same character. Okay, so both do not have legal entity. Okay, they don't have legal entity. What is legal entity? Legal entity means in front of the law they are not legal. So if they have any court cases, what they should do, they should go under the case through their own name. So that is why they don't have legal entity. And also we can tell that when you are registering the business, sole traders and partnership, okay, you have to register if you have another other name than the full name of the owner. than full name of the owner. Understood, students? Okay. So then only you have to register. Otherwise, register is not compulsory. And also you can see the liability is unlimited. Example, if you are going through a debt, you have to also, example, normally we have more the common business type is what sole traders in Sri Lanka. Everywhere you can see small shops, no? So that is one of the famous shop you can see. For example, you have a shop. Okay, so what if when you went bankrupt, you have more liabilities. So what do? Do you take an exam? You have to sell your own asset, right? That is what is called as unlimited liability. That is called as what? Unlimited liability. Okay. Next one, let us go. These are some important points. Okay. So both are having, they don't have legal entity. Like that means when you're registering, both are having the same rules and you are having unlimited liability. Okay. So you yes, so you kind of partnership don't have legal entity, and also when you are registered, it's compulsory because the name is not the full name, right? And the liability, yes, it's correct. So the answer will be the third one. Understood? Okay. Let's go for the eighth one. Okay. Tell me, Rasika, who does not hold any bank account, paid fuel bill of his motor car using an electronic card. This electronic card he used is what? So he don't have a bank account. It's one of the important things. So what will be the answer? Yes. So under your syllabus, you will be studying only two type of card, which is debit card and what? Credit card. So let us go through. So what is debit card? Normal debit card means for debit card. So let us see the difference between debit card and credit card. Okay. So if you are saying you have here debit card and here you have credit card. Okay. So debit card, so under debit card, you have to open a account. Have to because why? Debit card means you are doing purchases or something related from your account, from your own money. So for that to deposit that, you have to have your account, right, students? So for that, you have to open. You have to open a account. And also for credit account, you don't need to open account. Without opening account, you can obtain the credit card, but you have to provide the relevant documents. They won't just give, they will be seeing your income level, everything, then only they will be provided. So you can see that. Okay. So credit card, no need, no, uh, no need to open a current account. Understood? So you don't need to open a current account. Okay, so because credit card, you do from whose money? From the bank. So at last only you have to pay. So let us see. So in your syllabus, because pet cards, set cards will be example for the ATM card. So it won't come. So what will be the answer? The answer will be the second one, which is credit card. Understood? So you don't need to hold any bank account because why you do from not your own money. If you want to have, you have to do transfer from your own money. You have to have a bank account. Okay, so this is something repeated. So last week I explained 2020 21 O-level paper. So from there I want to say who will be the drawer, drawee, and the payee. Okay, so let us see. Okay. Let us see who is the drawer, drawee, and the payee. Okay. Let's see. So can you tell me who will be the drawee? Shuhada, drawee, payee, and the drawer. Drawer. Can you tell me? Yes. So if you see, okay. So if you are seeing, always the payee will be the what? Always payee will be the bank. Okay. Okay. So let us see who is the drawee, payee, and the drawer. So payee will be always the bank. Okay. So before going, let us read it. Then let us dive into this. So Ranga, who has a current account. So normally, what is this is related to checks, no? So always, check means it is something related to current account. So Ranga is a person who has okay. So Ranga is a person who has a current account in People's Bank, issued a check to Kapila. Okay, so let us write. So they will be who? There are three parties when you are giving a check. So it will be, so here you will be having Ranga. Then here you will be having who? Kapila. And in the middle only, there will be one bank. There can be two banks. Not exact. Ranga will be having this bank and Kapil. So you have to take who's Ranga's bank. Okay. So always, not the payee will be the bank. Who will be the bank? The always a drawee. Sorry, not the drawee will be the bank, not the payee. Okay. Drawee will be the bank. So here let us see what is the bank here. The bank here will be People's Bank. What? People's Bank. So who is the payee? Payee is the person who will receive the money. So under this instance, who is going to receive the money? Person who receives the money. So who will be receiving the money, Shuhada, here? According to this scenario, yes, it will be Kapila. So this Kapila will be the payee. And who will be the Ranga? Ranga will be the drawer. Here, that means he is the person who writes the check. Okay. If you want, you can again. There is the recording. Okay, you can just take a screenshot. Okay. Drawer. The person who writes or owns the check. Okay, understood? Okay. So at last, I'll be sharing a study tip. Okay. So let us see here Ranga. Ranga will be what? Ranga will be the drawer. Ranga will be the drawer. Drawer here. Okay. Then you have the drawer. So let us see Ranga. So Ranga will be the drawer and Kapila will be the payee and People's Bank withdrawal. So the answer will be what? Yes, it's the third one. Correct. So let us go to the 10th one. Vasana, who runs a government factory, obtained a loan to build her house, securing one of her insurance policies. To obtain the loan, Vasana used what? She can use. So normally she runs a government factory. So she wants to obtain a loan to build a house. So something related to her, no? Can she take the business things? No. So it should something normally life insurance be obtained for a person, right? So the answer will be what? Life insurance. Understood, students? Okay, I'll give time to go through it. Okay. Now let us dive into accounting part. Yes. Okay. So let us start with the 17th one. Okay. See here, select the transaction that is recorded only in assets account in a business. Okay. So let us take, okay. So let us take this one out. So let us see. Paying 5,000 to a creditor. So when you are paying, what is happening? Cash will be going. Let us see what is the cash will be going, and then what will be going? Creditor will be decreasing. So is it both? Let us see. First, let us see the effect. Depositing owner's personal money, rupees 50,000 in the bank account of the business. So if you are depositing owner's personal money, so you can see you will be having bank will be increasing and additional capital. So when you are depositing owner's personal money, that will be what? Additional capital. Additional capital will be plus. Okay. Next, let us see purchasing a computer of rupees 100,000 in cash for office use. So you can see, so when you are purchasing cash, cash will be going and what will be coming? Yes, correct. It will be what? Computer. It will be computer. Next, let us see purchasing a stock goods of rupees 12,000 on credit for resale. So what you are purchasing a stock on credit. So when you are purchasing stock on credit, your inventory will be increasing and what is the other thing? Creditors will be increasing. So can you tell me what are the transactions that only asset is being affected? Yes, it is the third one. So we have inventory here and the next we will be having creditors. What? Creditors. Okay. So the answer will be the third one. Understood, students? Okay. So you can see here, next one, 19. Following is the double entry of a transaction occurred in a business. Okay. So you can see this is a double. So when you get what you can discount receive related to what? When you are getting discount receive, when you are doing a payment to whom? You are doing a payment to creditor always. Then you are getting an income, no? So when you are paying someone, paying a creditor. So you can see there is a name. So purchase a stock on credit, no wrong. So because by cash credit means your money will be going. You are not purchasing, no? It's wrong. First one, selling a stock, no. It's not related. So remove receiving cash, no. Receiving cash means our cash should be debit. So what will be the answer? Paying a creditor. What it will be? Paying a creditor. Next one, the accounting equation of Chiron's business as at 1st of November 2019 is as follows. Okay, so let us see. Okay, the accounting equation as at, so we have assets 20, so this will be the opening. So we have opening 25,000, equity 15,000, liability 10,000. Okay, so let us see the accounting equation as at 2nd of November. So this is what happened in 2nd November. What is the effect? Your assets increases 21,000. Equity, we will be having 14,000 and so what will be happening? So after a transaction, this will be happening. So let us see what is the difference. From 25,000, asset has decreased by how much? By 4,000. And by 15,000 also, 1,000 has been decreased. And from 10,000, how much has decreased? 3,000. Okay. So let us see here. So we have our asset is also going, equity is also going by 1,000. And then here from liabilities, 3,000 will be going. Let us see receiving 4,000 from a debtor subject to a discount of 1,000. So let us see paying 4,000 to a creditor subjected to discount of 10,000, discount of 1,000. So normally when you are paying to a creditor, you will be having a discount received. So discount received is something income, no? So it will be what? Credit, no? It will be credit. So this is wrong. So this is wrong. Paying a bank installment of 4,000 including an interest 1,000. So when you are paying, let us see this one. obtaining a stock goods 4,000 that was purchased on credit. So when you obtain, you have to, assets should be increased, no? So for the 20th, the answer will be what? So you can see this. So paying, let us see, receiving, for when you're receiving 10,000, 4,000, your asset should be what? This will be this, but you will be not getting. So liabilities won't be affected. So that will be wrong. So the what will be the answer? It will be the third one. It will be the third one. Okay. So next one, let us go here. Okay. So now let's see. Okay. Okay. Now let us go to this question. Question number 21. Okay. Let us see some transaction of a business and source document. So this will be coming in grade 10. So but I think you are okay with that. So let us see. Okay. So you have here. Now let us see. You have selected answer when source documents are met. So when you are doing credit sales, what you are going to get? When you are doing yes, correct, you will be getting what? Sales invoice. But it will be sales invoice. Credit purchase? Yes, it will be what? Purchase invoice, correct? Purchase invoice. Next, let us see receiving investment income. So when you receive investment income, what it will be? It will be money. You are receiving the cash. So that will be related to what? Receipts. What? Receipts. Next, let us see purchasing furniture of rupees 50,000 on credit for the use of business. So when you are, so what you are doing, you are purchasing furniture on credit. So when you are purchasing non-current asset, where do you always record? You have to record under general journal. So under general journal, what will be the source document? It will be journal voucher. Okay. It will be journal voucher. Understood, students? Okay. Let us see what is the answer. So it should be sales. It should be from starting from D, ending with B. D and B. So it will be fourth one. Okay. Next. So write the answer that shows a prime entry book. So can you tell me sales invoice? What will be the prime entry book? The prime entry will be prime entry will sales journal. What? Sales journal. I'll write in another color pen, students. Sales journal. Okay. Next, let us see purchase invoice. So under purchase invoice, what it will be? Huh? Under purchase invoice, what it will be? Yes, it will be what? Purchase journal. What? Purchase journal. And here let us see. Now you can see, right? Next, receiving investment, that is receipts, something related to what? Cash book. Okay, so I'll start now. So let us see. So let us see. Next we have the primary book is General Journal, and it will be what the question answer number 1. Okay. Okay. So now let us dive into part 2 questions. Okay. So for part 2, I'll be taking this one. Question number 1. Question number 2. So you should know that if you are seeing the structure, students, so I'll be telling us that always do paper. Okay. Consistently, I don't know, I think you are in your grade 11, in your first term. Okay. So now itself do grade 10 questions. Okay. Do past papers consist. Okay. Do past papers. Always do past papers. That is the key seek. Okay. Do always past papers. Okay, students. So see here. Okay, so you can see here you are having 1. So this first question is the heart of the paper, because from 20 you will have to at least take more than 50. Now tell me, students, if you want to take, okay, if you even take in your question paper, if you even take 75, it's a 8, and even if you take 90, it's a 8. Okay, so they are not going to see your marks. So what they will be seeing, okay, what is it, A grade or not? But if you do 75, just go little around at least 85, because it is a safe zone. Understood, students? So, so little bit from your marks, see how many marks should I improve, and see normally in your MCQs you will be getting how much? You will be getting in your MCQs. It is like 1 mark. No? So like how many questions should I increase to take this certain mark? Okay. Let us go for the. So here from then you have to select from business studies 2 questions, and okay, students, don't go and do hard questions. Don't go and do hard questions. Okay, do easy questions. Okay, don't go up and I know this, and don't go do something that is easy for you. That's where students mostly from. Okay, students, I'll explain the second question. I'll take this to a new tab. Okay. Students. Okay. So let us see what is a human want. So can you tell me what is a human want? Students, tell me what is a human want? Yes. So if you are seeing, needs are the essential things that should be satisfied, and what will be wants? Wants will be. So what will be wants? Let us see. Let us write first. What will be want? Wants are the different ways of satisfying needs. Okay. Next, write 2 characters. Very easy, no? But tell me, here not being not essential, but unlimited. Now they are coming. Correct, correct. Yeah, correct. Okay. So let us see not essential. Let us write here from here. Let us write not essential. Not essential. Being diverse. Can be created. Yes, we can create. No, that's why we have more creativity. So we can see from one food there are many. So from there you can create a business idea. Okay. And yes, unlimited. Unlimited. Okay, done. Next, let us see, state whether the following statements are true or false. Businessmen can create human needs, but human wants cannot be wrong. No, can we create human needs? No. Businessmen creates want. That will be false. Suppliers of production business are intern. Intern only there are three people. Who will be in the stakeholders intern? It will be owner, managers, and employees. So suppliers are external. The forces or parties acting outside the business. Okay. Next, any person or institute who purchase ordinary shares of incorporated company is an owner of it. So if you are seeing about C, okay. So if you are seeing about C, it's true, no? So if you are buying purchase ordinary shares in a company, you will be the shareholders or the owners. So it is true. Business always act no, we have profit and non-profit. So this will be false. Next. See, Sumana in Koggal is conducting a business with the help of Kanti by cultivating cinnamon in her land and producing hella kurundu tea. Kurundu means, cinnamon Sinhala to sell to tourists who visit Madoldur, businesses in town, and so she will be selling. So normally Sumana is in Koggala, is conducting a business with the help of who? Kanti. They are cultivating cinnamon in her land and producing hella kurundu tea. So they will be selling for who? Tourist and business and the local consumers. Write an example for each. So you will be employees. So let us see Kanti. Who is the Kanti? Because employees, Kanti will be the employees. Customers can be tourists or business or local consumers, like that you can write. Okay. Write the reason for each stakeholder to you mention. So why can you do? Why Kanti? Why employees is interested to obtain a salary? No, that's why that they won't just come and do a job. What they expect a reasonable salary. For my skill, is there a reasonable salary? A reasonable salary. Next, let us see. Okay, next, let us see. What do we have? Yes. Next, for customers. Now, why customers will be coming? Or you can tell. Yes, why? To obtain the product. Okay, to obtain a product at what price? At reasonable price. So you can obtain product at reasonable price. Okay. Next, let us see. Write the, sorry, that's correct. Next, let us see. Following are some business names. Okay. So let us see. Write the human needs satisfied by each. The Shanti Batik produces. What is the need? It is, so batik is something related to clothes. It's clothing. Next, sakura mushrooms. It will be what? It will be food. Next, to a hospital. What? It will be health. Next, Sagara driving. Yes, it's not transportation, driving school, but it is you are receiving the education now, students. Okay. Write the human needs satisfied by, so that is which we did here. Next, state the kind of business that each of the business belong. So nature of the product. The nature of the product, we are going to see what is in your syllabus. You have, so you can classify business based on nature of product. What teacher we didn't study, no, it's a nature of all we studied only the profit business or public, or is it private? No. In first instance, you are classifying business under to what? Service providing business and what? Commodity manufacturing business. Understood, students? So let us see. Shakti Batik producers. From the name itself, you can producers means something they manufacture. So it will be what? Commodity. Okay, right? Next, Sakura mushrooms. So it will be what? That is also something related to your manufacturing, producing. So manufacturing. Next, Sewer hospital. So sewer hospital means what? Sewer hospital means service. You are providing a service. Service. Next also we can do the service. We do the service. Understood, students? Okay. Take time to write. Okay. So is that no? So what, students, you have to do mere work. Do 2000. Okay. In grade 10, do all the questions related to the first lesson and drop the drop a message to the group. Do it and okay. Drop the message to the group. What you have to do? You have to do grade 10. Okay, grade 10 first unit. 10 years past papers. Write the question and don't write the example question number 2, Roman number 8. Write the answers and send me to the group. Okay. So I'll be also giving you at last. I'll be seeing who has provided, who has come to the class regularly, and I'll be providing them a voucher, a money voucher. Honestly, students, but you have to do the work and you have to attend the class. Okay? Write it every time. Okay. So let us go to the next session. Now let us do one business studies question. Okay. So accounting question. Let us dive into the part 2 question number 5. Okay. Now let us see what they have asked. So you have to do the question. Always this easy question. What is equity? Yes. So equity means the amount of assets owned by the business. You can tell the subtracted or the remaining amount when asset is being subtracted from liability. Okay. Yeah. What is equity? Equity means what? The amount of assets owned by the business. Okay. Write two situations that the equity of a sole proprietorship. So can you tell me where it changes? We studied there are 4 changes, but what? Because of why our equity is changing. There are 4 instances. Yes, because of what? Additional capital. Next one, drawings. Next, income and expense. Okay. And yes, income and expense. Okay, I'll be writing like this so you can see. So students, okay. Next, let us see. Write the double entries for the following transactions. Okay. So what do you have? You have to write the double entries. Okay. So let us see. Receiving a check of rupees 7,000 from debtor Madhav. So when you are receiving the check, when you are receiving check, you know Madhav is a debtor. The debtor should decrease. And if you are receiving the check, your cash is receiving check means something like check means bank. No, you are receiving something instead of cash. You receive the cash check, right? So what you have to write? You have to write here cash. So it is what is the yes? Correct? Correct. Yes. Thanks for answering to that. So what cash account debit? What? Cash account debit 7,000. Next one, then Madhava account will be, because they have given the debtor's name, you have to write like that. So Madhava's account. Business. Sorry for the inconvenience. I got a call. So mother's account will be what? It will be decreasing. Your debt is increasing, debit decreasing will be credit. So it will credit 7,000. Okay. So I'll see. So I'll teach you one trick. Okay. So students, can you tell me? Okay. So can you fill the chart, students? Who is coming to my class? No. Assets and equity increase which side? It increases debit side. Then liabilities, income, and equity. Sorry, liabilities, income, and equity increase which side? Credit side. Correct. So next, let us see. Nadun, who is the owner of a furniture shop, they purchase a dining table of 35,000 from his business. So what he is doing, he is taking for his personal use, he is buying a dining table. So that will be what? Drawings. The cash from the business will be going out, and what will be there? The drawings will be increasing. So what you can see, cash account. The drawings account. Drawings account. But here, see, students, here it's drawing, but what he takes a good, no? So do we have good account? No, we don't have, but only what do we have? We have to put on the purchase account. So purchase means something the inventory. So you don't have, okay, because you don't have inventory or stock account, but you have to record in the purchase account. That's a must. Purchase will be decreasing because your goods will be going now. So in that now example, you have a shop. In that, if you are taking means you have to record now. So that stock will be going. So that stock is purchase. So by why you are putting purchase, teacher? It's furniture. No? But here it's a furniture shop. No, the furniture shop stocks will be what? Like these dining tables or something like that. Okay, so that will come under purchase. So purchase account credit will be purchase account credit. 30%. Drawings, always is debit, decreases the equity, and purchase will be, that means the stock will be going. Okay. Write a note. Okay. Wait a minute then. Students were asking, okay, teacher, explain drawing. Wait a minute, students. I'll give a note. Very good. Okay. So there are students also who's watching recording, so it should be also useful for you. Students, do the homework. Okay, what you have to do by next class, do 10 years past papers of related to what? Unit number 1. Search. Yes, search. You have to search only. I want search and give. Yes. So we can see drawings. I'll give the note. Sorry, students. Wait. Okay. Write the note. Drawings refer to money or goods right? Goods taken out from business by the owner. Okay. For personal use. So if students who are having shop with you, you will be knowing the dining this one, that dining this one will be taking so then you have the account and bring drawings from as a commerce student accounting, so you have to like that by the by the owner. So what is the effect of it? Effect will be reducing equity. Reducing equity. The reducing equity means what? Normally, equity is normally equity is credit. So decrease in equity is debit. Okay. What will double entry always draw wings? Will be debit and can be cash for purchase will be credit. Students, understood? Okay. Okay. So, okay, students, by that I'll stop the session. I hope you got an idea. Okay, so I'll be explaining, okay, this one in the next class. I'll be doing double entries in the next class. Then I'll be also focusing on other grade level business studies chapters. Okay, students. Okay, bye. If you have interest, yes, next week I'll be conducting the class. Yeah, same time. Yes. Okay. Yeah, Saturday. I wasn't able to quickly see.